Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the dangers of self-medication and how you can avoid it. You know, self-medication is very tempting because it is convenient. You feel like you just pass by the pharmacy or the drug shop and pick the drugs. But the danger number one that you're most likely to fall into is that you are going to wrongly diagnose yourself, and therefore you are going to be taking the wrong medicine for the wrong condition. As a result of that, you are not going to get well. Meanwhile, the actual problem, the treatment is delayed, and you can easily fall into complications. Number two, we have talked about delayed treatment. You have a headache, which is maybe caused by other things. You are taking Panadol, and the actual problem which is causing the headache may be typhoid or malaria is progressing and increasing within the body system. So at the end of the day, you end up going to the hospital with the complications instead. There are times when the blood pressure is very high, and you can develop a headache due to a very high blood pressure. But because for you always treat your headache with action, you end up taking action and falling over to sleep. By morning, you may wake up with a stroke because the pressure has now proceeded from severe hypertension to actually stroke. So you risk getting complications of the actual problems that are causing you the symptoms. In medicine, there are many symptoms, and the different diseases present with similar symptoms. So self-medication makes you to treat symptoms and not the actual disease. So at the end of the day, you are managing and feeling better, but the actual disease is going ahead. You get complications because of self-medication, because you are not treating the right thing, you are treating the symptoms. Number three, you can also get organ damage. As a result of giving yourself drugs, every time you're getting headache, you're taking painkillers, you're taking action, you're taking Hedon, you're taking pain aid, you're taking these over-the-counter medications over and over, and yet they have been known from research that they can cause liver damage, they can cause kidney damage when they are taken for a very long time. This is the reason why you should avoid self-medication, because later on you present to the clinic, and when they do tests, they find when your liver has problems, they find when your kidney has problems, because you have been taking drugs for over and over a long period of time, and they have caused issues within the body systems. The other complication that you can develop from self-medication is taking a lot of drugs. You could be prescribed for only one medication or two that can handle your symptoms, but because you are taking medications that you are prescribed by yourself, you are even sometimes taking 4 drugs. When you take this, it doesn't work, you migrate to the other. In the house, you are just picking different drugs to treat the same problem without getting an actual solution to it. So all this risks your internal organs, because every drug that enters the body, the liver is supposed to metabolize it, is supposed to break it down, and the kidney is supposed to excrete it out of the body. But because you are taking very many, you are giving them an overload there and then, which can risk them getting an injury, and later on you can get organ failure. Follow us on YouTube for more medical videos. We have a digital health platform to help you to avoid self-medication, because many times you are tempted, the drug shop is the one near you, or you don't want to go to the clinic. We have a solution, a digital health platform, where you can easily register and have your name there. Anytime you need to buy any medications for any medical problem, you can easily book a doctor and chat to a doctor, even as low as 6,000 Ugandan shillings. You can consult a doctor via text, and you can also have your laboratory tests done whenever you need the tests to be done. And then we prescribe for you medication based on the actual medical condition that you are suffering from. This is possible from your home. It is possible from your workplace. It is also possible right at the door of the drug shop. You can simply tell the nurse at the drug shop that give me some few minutes, I talk to the doctor before I can be able to buy the drugs. Then you can book any of our doctors online. You can just decide to text at as low as 6,000 Ugandan shillings, and it will be, you'll be able to get a prescription by a doctor. You could do it from your office when you know that you're going to drive by the pharmacy, and you talk to a doctor in the last few minutes after work. Then you get a prescription done. In the case we don't need to do any tests for you, we can be able to prescribe for you rational medication. In the case you need some tests, we shall send our lab technicians to pick your sample. We get your lab results, and then we prescribe for you the actual medications based on your medical condition. This is how we want to help you to get proper medication, to get proper treatment, instead of you doing self-medication, which can cause you damage to organs, which can be mistreatment, which can cause antibiotic resistance, and all that. Kindly sign up to our digital health platform called BOBALE Healthlink. You can click the link below. You can find our WhatsApp contact below for any assistance on how to register on our platform. We have standby doctors and specialists waiting on the platform for any questions from you, for any medical symptoms that you have. They can be able to give you right prescriptions and safeguard your health from the damage of self-medication. Thank you very much.